Now, what if you could create your own pension, folks, even if your job doesn't offer one? Now, that's going to be huge because unfortunately, most Americans today, we're going to retire without their traditional pension. And what does that mean? It means that that responsibility is going to fall 110% completely on you when it comes to your retirement and when it comes to your income. But here's the good news, folks. We got some good news for you. You actually could build something right now that works very similar, right? Very similar to a pension using a very simple strategy, right? And it's a growth bucket strategy and a paycheck bucket strategy put together. So pretty much it's two different buckets. It's one simple framework out there. And together, what they could do is they could help turn your saving strategies into pretty much predictable retirement income when you need it the most for when you retire. So, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl with a decade license in the financial industry. So make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe to the channel and check the description for links to get yourself a free budget and more information. But today, I want to talk about something that unfortunately it used to be automatic for a lot of you. It used to be automatic for a lot of workers. And that's a pension plan. So a long time ago, pensions, they were common. You're going to work for a company. You're going to work there for 30 years. Once you retire, then you're going to get yourself a guaranteed monthly paycheck for life. That's what pensions were. Very simple. But unfortunately today, in 2026, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, only about 15% of private sector workers, they still have access to a traditional pension. Only 15% of people even have that. So that means that the question becomes what? What's the question going to become? How do you create your own retirement paycheck? What are you going to do to create a monthly paycheck coming in? And that's where the DIY, the do-it-yourself pension strategy, it comes into play, folks. And I want to break it down. It's a strategy that's built, like I said, around two powerful buckets. And you need to know how to do it correctly to make sure it works for you. The first one is your growth bucket. The second one is the paycheck bucket. But let me break it down and let's start with the growth bucket, because this is the one that a lot of you guys want to know about. You want to know how you're going to grow your money. So your first bucket is that growth bucket. It's going to be what a lot of you guys are already doing. So for most people, what does it mean? It's going to be the 401k. It's going to be an IRA or maybe any other retirement investment accounts that you have in the portfolio that you're building. Now, this bucket is designed to do one thing and one thing only. Is to grow over time. You want your 401k to grow, your IRA to grow. Historically, the stock market, folks, is average anywhere between 8 to 10% annually over long periods of time. Now, although it's going to fluctuate, year after year, you have a couple good years, a couple bad years, but understand that growth alone, it helps your retirement savings, okay, to outpace inflation. That's what you want to do. Outpace inflation and increase your long-term wealth. So think of it like this, right? Think of that growth bucket like that, like a retirement engine. Okay, it's building momentum. You got the engine. It's building momentum for your future. You hit the gas, it's going further. But here I tell people is the question that a lot of people don't ask themselves until unfortunately it's too late. And what happens when it's time to turn that growth into income? Everyone talks about 401k making money, but how do you switch it over to income? Because when retirement arrives, the goal for you guys is going to change. No longer are you just going to be growing your money. That time has passed. Now you're in retirement. So now that means you need to start living off of it. Supplemental income. And that is what introduces the biggest challenge for a lot of you guys. You grew it for 15, 20, 25 years. Now it's a challenge because when retirees depend only on investments, guess what? You're going to face something called a sequence of returns risk. Sequence of return risk. And folks, sounds fancy, but all it means that if the market drops early in your retirement, so once you're retired, if it drops early, and you're starting to withdraw money at this very same time, market takes a hit, the year you start withdrawing, your savings is going to drain way faster than you expected. Okay? So have you ever asked yourself that? Have you ever asked yourself that question? What if the market crashes right after I retire? Not before, but now that you retired, what do you do afterwards? That's going to be a huge concern. And that's why you need to have that second bucket, and that second bucket matters so much. Like I said, you have your growth bucket, now you have the second bucket, and the second bucket is what we call the paycheck bucket. How to get that lifetime income. Now this, folks, is where annuity could come into play. Your fixed index annuities or regular annuities. Now annuities is simply a financial product, folks. It's a financial product that's designed to turn savings into guaranteed income streams. So from savings to guaranteed income, creating your own personal. Think of it like creating your own personal pension check, your own personal Social Security. That's where annuities come into play. So instead of relying entirely on the market, entirely on withdrawals, right? Part of your savings, it could produce constant monthly income. The big thing I see with a lot of clients are they need to have that consistency. You want to have it just like a paycheck. You spend 30, 40 years getting a paycheck. Most people want to keep that same mentality so they always have something coming in. Now, here's the thing. That paycheck, it can last for a specific period or even a lifetime, depending on how it's properly structured, how you have everything set up and play, if you want lifetime income or not. So I want you to imagine this for a moment. When it comes to your annuities, your monthly bills are covered by what? Your Social Security. You're going to have your Social Security. Then you're going to have plus income from your annuity. You have those things coming in. You don't have to worry. It's a guaranteed paycheck bucket. Your Social Security, annuities. Now you have your growth bucket, and that could remain invested, and it could continue to grow. That's the key, folks. The annuities to live, let your investments continue to grow so you're not forced to sell your investments during market downturns. You don't have to worry about that because you have something guaranteed. And that's the power of separating your strategy into two different buckets, a growth bucket and a paycheck bucket. Most people only have growth, then they switch it and don't keep them, right? The bucket strategy, it works because it separates two different goals. You got one goal over here, one goal over here. You got the growth goal, and then you have the income stability. You're not turning one off to get the other one. You have your growth bucket focusing on the long-term market, right? Get that market potential. You hear Warren Buffett, just keep your money, keep growing. But then you have your paycheck bucket that focuses on your income, focuses on reliability, and together, those two, they're going to create a balance. I've been licensed for a decade. Most retirees don't have that balance. And balance is the critical part of your retirement planning. Because, folks, retirement isn't just about having money. This is the problem. People think it's just about having money. No, it's about having income that you could depend on. Not just money, but income that you could depend on. Matter of fact, let me ask you this. Have you ever asked yourself, when it comes to retirement, like, how much income will I actually have every month when I stop working? You've been growing your money, but how much can you have every month when you stop working? Many people, they know their account balance. You got 130, 140,000, 200,000, whatever, but they don't know that future paycheck. They don't know what's it going to be. And those are two very different things, folks. They're two completely different things. How much money you have, how much money you could withdraw. So, example, let's say someone retires with $600,000 saved. Good amount. And they might allocate some of that $600,000. Say $400,000 is going to be in the growth bucket. That's going to be invested for your long-term growth, right? And then the other $200,000 is going to be in the paycheck bucket, and that's going to be used to do what? Generate guaranteed income in your annuities and different kind of strategies. So that paycheck bucket, it could potentially produce that stable monthly income for you, and it's going to help you cover all your regular expenses like your housing, utilities, your food, your insurances, car insurance, health insurances, all that. Meanwhile, the remaining investments, they're going to continue working for you. OPM, other people's money. Let your money work for your future. And that's pretty much, I say, the essence of the do-it-yourself pension strategy. Okay? It's not complicated. It sounds like it is, but it's not complicated. It's just structured. And most people just don't have stuff structured. So the real question, it isn't just, hey, how much money do I need to retire? Do I need $1 million? How am I going to get there? That's not the question. The question you need to ask yourself, for all those watching this, is how much monthly income do I want to receive during retirement? Two different ways to think. Because retirement, like I said, it is not funded by lump sums. No, it's not. It's funded by income streams, not lump sums, income streams. Okay? And building multiple income sources, that is huge. You got your Social Security, you got your investments, you got your guaranteed income. Those big three is like a stool. It can help you generate a more secure financial future because you got 3 legs on that stool just sitting there. So, folks, if you found this information helpful, just do me a favor. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. You're here with Earl, and I want to tell you something right now. Licensed for the last decade, this is probably the biggest problem. A lot of clients, they want to have a large lump sum, but they don't know what that lump sum is going to actually be able to produce during retirement. So you need to figure that out. Make sure you check the description. I got a free budget. You can schedule a consultation to see if this is something that could work for you. And with that being said, ladies and gents, you're here to retire with Earl, a licensed decade in the financial industry, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.